Alright, next box. This one's bottom heavy, so it flips over.
Where's it from?
eBay.
Oh, okay.
I don't keep track. There's a label in there, but it's FedEx, all I see. I don't know.
I'll go with case.
I think this was a flathead cylinder, but I don't remember. It's heavy.
Oh, it's got a. Oh, wow.
And it's got a milk crate in it. That's good packaging there. You never know what you get.
Smart people doing stuff. Wow.
Let's see. This came out of a Tatro machine. Texas.
Texas.
Imported from Texas.
Great state of Texas.
And not much longer. California's
They're
taking
fighting.
over.
No, they're fighting.
Turning the crowd. I got some soft shoes.
Oh, it's all packing material.
Yeah, I think that's empty. Got the trash.
Oh, no.
Big cylinder. That's not heavy.
All that for that? Wow, that's
We're talking about big twins.
That's pretty cool.
That's a big twin cylinder. Look at the milk crate. That's a big twin cylinder. You can put your hand in there easily. It's big twin. That's how you tell them apart. It's a small bike. It also is heavy. It says UL on it. In case you didn't know. Oh, this is an early cylinder. 37, 1 year only. 38 and later is a normal cylinder. I use 37. I still don't know the difference between a 37 cylinder and a 38. They look identical, but they change the mold, so something's different. Probably the thickness is something somewhere. What they do different? One thing I can see right now, and I just thought about, is see how there's no holes through here?
Uh-huh.
That's cooling. So 38, there's holes going through there. To let the cooling air through. So there's no way there air is in the bottom of the hole. It doesn't do anything. You have to let the air go through to do something. So that's probably the change. Because the outside looks the same. Yeah. 38. Here's a 38. Oh, same cylinder, front. Nope, this one's solid too. It's weird. 45s are open through there. I don't know the difference. What's the difference? Look identical.
Oh, look at the fins. These are 4 fins. That's 2 fins.
Well, that's a 74 and 80.
Oh, okay.
Here's a 45. See how the fins go through down through here? These are all plugged up full of crap, but they actually go all the way through.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Once it goes through here, they work their way through. So the air can kind of go through and cool the exhaust. I mean, cools off this part of the cylinder. This is the intake side, but it cools it. Runs a little bit cooler because the exhaust gets really, really hot. So they're trying to keep the intake charge a little bit cooler. So that's how they did it. It looks like the big twin's solid all the way through it. So. Remember I was talking about a VL?
Yeah.
Here's a VL cylinder. The VL is this is 33. So this is 33 through 35. 36 is a 1 year only cylinder. 37 is a 1 year only cylinder, and 38 to 48 is the next one. So 80 cubic inch has 13 fins on it. 74 has 12 fins.
Okay.
Or 11 fins. 11 fins. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yep. So 11 fins. So VLs have 7 head bolts. 2, 4, 6, 7. These have 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. 45s have 7 and 8. So that's where you tell them apart too. But these all have the angle port in them, which is 33 and up. 30 to 32, they had like a pan, it had a straight port, came in straight. That didn't work very well, so they changed it. But then it came out of the knuckle, they went right back to it because it's cheaper to make it that way.
Really?
Yeah. So these are supposed to be 3 5/16 bore. VLs I think are the same, but I'm not sure. They might be 3 7/16. I don't remember. And the 80-inch is 3 7/16 bore stock. So these cylinders are a little bit thinner than these ones when you measure between the fins. So you can't. They bore them out all the time the same size, but they're really thin on these ones. But, so anyway, that's the differences on those. So this is I'm working on 1937 ULH for myself, so this gives me an actual real correct cylinder for my ULH. If I want to run it, I don't know. Until I figure out what the difference is, I don't know. This cylinder's got a lot of rust in it.
Yeah.
So I want to punch a 3.5 inch for putting an Evo piston in it, and I'll stroke it 5 inches, and it all works out about right.
Okay.
That's what the plan is anyway. UPS. More stuff coming. So this is 3.455. So that's 20 over with a lot of rust. So when I clean all this up, it'll be fine for 3.5 inch, obviously. So this gives me a good cylinder. Intake spigot's a little used up, but I can save it. So this looks like a nice one. It's got all the fins on it, so that's a good starting point for me to do for my bike. So that's the front one. I don't know if I keep buying cylinders. Eventually, I'll come up with a good set.
Yeah, you will.
I might already have 2 or 3 good sets. I don't know. I don't keep track. I just keep buying them. It's hard to lose money on a good 40 on a good part. This one here, obviously, this ought to be sleeved. So when you get them like this, you don't pay as much when you get good ones. So this has a lot bigger bore in it. So see how thin the sleeve is?
Yeah.
So this one's thicker.
Yeah.
You got more meat on it. Oh, this one's broken. Yep, this one's broken. See the big crack in here? See the hole in there?
Oh yeah, you can see that. Mm-hmm.
Cracked all the way down.
Isn't that nice?
All the way to the spigot. So this will have to be sleeved. So when you sleeve them, you can't bore them out so big because there's not much material left. See the crack here?
Mm-hmm.
So I probably didn't pay much for this one because it's broken. So that's why it's so rusty, because they broke it and just sitting around. It's got a bunch of weld splatter in here. I could try to weld on it. I'm not sure how they broke that one, but probably a piston and rod and stuff like that. Brakes. So it looks like a good cylinder, but in reality, it's not that good. Nothing you can't fix with a sleeve. All right, there you go.